Happy Prime Day, everyone. This is Philip with iRobot, and today we've got the Roomba i2. First, we're going to take a look at what comes inside the box, tell you and show you why this robot is so great, then we're going to wrap up and get you out of here. We got the Roomba itself, along with the home base and power cord. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, our tangle-free rubber brushes and specially designed edge brush are powered with our 10 times the suction power over our 600 series model, allows Roomba i2 to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. Plus, anything over 4 inches, and Roomba can get underneath. So think under the table, entertainment center, or even under your bed. Now you might be thinking, when was the last time I actually vacuumed in those places? Well, that would normally be a problem for other robotic vacuums, but with the Roomba i2, it has our patented dirt detect technology. When Roomba senses a lot of dirt in one area, like under the bed, Roomba's going to stop what it's doing and focus on that area till it's clean. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, or even some pets? It's not a problem for the Roomba i2. The Roomba i2 is going to take its time, clean in a grid style cleaning fashion to make sure it cleans the entire level of your home. Roomba i2 can take its time because it knows if the battery runs low before the job is complete, I'm just going to return home to my charge base, recharge my battery, and pick up right where I left off. This is perfect for that entire level home cleaning that we all want. With our imprint link technology, our Roomba i2 is going to handle all the dirt and debris that's on the floors in your home, while its Prime Day tag team partner, the Robotic M6, is going to go right after and make sure those floors are nice and shiny. The great thing about the iRobot home app, powered by iRobot OS, is that not only your robot's going to continue to get smarter over time, but you can also do this all on demand, set a repeating schedule, or you can simply tell your favorite Alexa-enabled device to tell your Roomba to go clean your home. Which, that reminds me, Alexa, can you tell Roomba i2 to clean the home, please?
Okay, I'll tell Roomba to start vacuuming.
Alright, so that was a lot of information. Let's recap quickly. The Roomba i2 is going to have 10 times the suction power compared to our 600 series models. It's going to clean in a grid style cleaning fashion to make sure the entire level of your home is clean. And it's going to partner with our Robotic M6 to make sure that you have those shiny floors along with the vacuumed ones. If you're still unsure of which robot to purchase, please check out the other videos, we have them on as well, but act fast because Prime Day is a limited time offer. Thanks for watching and happy Prime Day, everyone.